आज हम स्टार्ट करेंगे HpTET प्रीवियस ईयर एग्जाम सीरीज फॉर चाइल्ड साइकोलॉजी पार्ट 4. So let's begin. Whose definition is this? The psychology is the most basic science of education. Number 1, Dave's. Number 2, Skinner. Number 3, B. N. Jha. Number 4, none of these. Correct answer will be Skinner. Educational psychology is helpful in number 1, maintaining discipline. Number 2, knowledge of child development. Number 3, evaluation. Number 4, all round development. Correct answer will be all round development. Which of the following method is considered the most scientific and objective method of studying behavior? Number 1, observation method. Number 2, experimental method. Number 3, survey method. Number 4, case study method. Correct answer will be experimental method. How many stages Erikson described in psychosocial development? Number 1, 5. Number 2, 7. Number 3, 8. Number 4, 3. Correct answer will be 8. Our genes are composed of number 1, DNA, number 2, RNA, number 3, chromosome, number 4, sperm cell. Correct answer will be DNA. Each egg cell has a chromosome. Number 1, X. Number 2, Y. Number 3, XX. Number 4, YY. Correct answer will be X. Delinquency is often associated with number 1, low parental support. Number 2, inappropriate discipline. Number 3, family discord. Number 4, all of the above. Correct answer will be all of the above. Prenatal development is commonly divided into the main periods called number 1, germinal, number 2, embryonic, number 3, fetal, number 4, all of the above. Correct answer will be all of the above. The process of dash is important in personality development. Number 1, identification. Number 2, similarity. Number 3, social attachment. Number 4, separation. Correct answer will be social attachment. Skinner conducted his studies on the followings. Number 1, rat. Number 2, pigeon. Number 3, dog. Number 4, both A and B. Correct answer will be both A and B. In operational conditioning, the procedure of not reinforcing for response is called number 1, shaping. Number 2, extension. Number 3, continuous reinforcement. Number 4, none of the above. Correct answer will be extension. Which of the following is a system of memory? Number 1, sensory. Number 2, short term. Number 3, long term. Number 4, all of the above. Correct answer will be all of the above. The first stage of memory is number 1, encoding. Number 2, storage. Number 3, retrieval. Number 4, none of the above. Correct answer will be encoding. Partial or complete loss of memory is called number 1 agnosia, number 2 ataxia, number 3 amnesia, number 4 none of the above. Correct answer will be amnesia. Duration of short term memory is number 1 2 second, number 2 20 second, number 3 1.5 second, number 4 30 second. Correct answer will be 30 second. Which of the mental activity is involved in thinking? Number 1 inferring, number 2 abstracting, number 3 reasoning, number 4 all of the above. Correct answer will be all of the above. Mental retarded people have the IQ range from 25 to 39 are known as number 1 mild mental retarded, number 2 moderate mental retarded, number 3 severe mental retarded, number 4 profound mental retarded. Correct answer will be severe mental retarded. Who propounded the project method? Number 1 Froebel, number 2 Kilpatrick, number 3 Armstrong, number 4 Mary Monstari. Correct answer will be Kilpatrick. Who was the propounder of anticipatory theory of play? Number 1 Carl Gross, number 2 G. Stanley Hall, number 3 M.C. Dougall, number 4 Lesauros. Correct answer will be Carl Gross. Who said two children have no common ability? Number 1 Herlock, number 2 Nunn, number 3 Sorensen, number 4 Crow and Crow. Correct answer will be Herlock. Propounder of insight theory of learning is number 1 Kohler, number 2 Thorndike, number 3 Skinner, number 4 Pavlov. Correct answer will be Kohler. How many personality types are mentioned by Kretschmer? Number 1 4, number 2 2, number 3 3, number 4 5. Correct answer will be 4. Creativity is identified by number 1 old behavior, number 2 drawing, number 3 music, number 4 new result. Correct answer will be new result. Who said this? Creativity is essentially found in the new construction or production. Number 1 James Driver, number 2 C.V. Good, number 3 Crow and Crow, number 4 Stein. Correct answer will be James Driver. Who is the propounder of learning rules? Number 1 Crow and Crow, number 2 Thorndike, number 3 J.P. Guilford, number 4 Skinner. Correct answer will be Thorndike. Children whose mental age is lower than their chronological age are known as number 1 gifted child, number 2 normal child, number 3 learning disabled, number 4 retarded child. Correct answer will be retarded child. Children construct their own understanding through interaction with their environment. Stated by whom? Number 1 Skinner, number 2 Guilford, number 3 Piaget, number 4 Bert. Correct answer will be Piaget. What is the IQ of a child whose mental age is equal to the chronological age? Number 1 100, number 2 120, number 3 80, number 4 140. Correct answer will be 100. The stage in which a child begins to think logically about object and event is known as number 1 sensory motor stage, number 2 pre-operational stage, number 3 formal operational stage, number 4 concrete operational stage. Correct answer will be concrete operational stage. Kindergarten system of education was proposed by number 1 Nunn, number 2 Spencer, number 3 Forbel, number 4 Monstera. Correct answer will be Forbel.